Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this super large sectional sofa that this brand sent to me for this video. And we have our cats here today, it seems. By the way, before anything else, let me tell you that as soon as you get the boxes, don't open the boxes all at the same time. Work box by box because also you can make this one to be from the left to the right. So the way that we did this one, which by the way, the assemble it takes, just get some time, like spare some time. This one, it took us about 90 minutes in between two people and power tools. So kind of like make sure that you have some time because it's not difficult if you follow the instructions box by box. It's actually 3 boxes. This package comes in 3 boxes, but then you can put this one right here on the right, or you can put the chase on the left and then this one on the right. So that's kind of like good to know that you have LH, which is left-handed, and RH, which is right-handed. So make sure that you decide which one you want to do before starting the assemble. But bottom line, this thing is massive. We actually have our big couch over there. And when testing this one right now, because ours is bigger, but this one has some really good features that I'm going to show you in a few seconds. Size wise, it is 107 inches wide by 83 inches on the long part right here. So if you put this one on the other side, it's going to be 107 by 83 on that side. And then it comes with so many things and comes with all the pillows and actually something that I want to show you right now. So check this out. This is kind of like the first thing that I want to show you because I think this may be the reason why we keep this one instead of the one we have right now. Just because if you have friends and family or something like that, and let me grab this one right here, this is how you have a bed for them. Check this out. With this one, you can just have this and you have a bed. So with that, they're gonna have a bed for 2 people right here. You can have this one and you can have the other one. So with that, they will have for up to 2 people sleeping here, super comfy. And by the way, putting this one inside is as easy as it goes. So that is really cool to have. And then by the way, these ones are super comfy right here. You can see how kind of like well padded these ones are, but take kind of like a look that each one of this one comes with a cover. So you can take the cover out and you can remove it and you can wash it. Also, these ones are gonna be thick enough with another cover and Velcro to avoid this one from moving, but these are gonna be thick enough to have it on a comfortable way for like a marathon of movies or TV shows or gaming. And again, just having the comfort of having the long section over here, the middle section, and then the chase over there. So up to, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4 people, super comfy, up to 6 if you want to squeeze them up a little bit, and you can have some for adults and some kids as well. Kind of like a panning way, so you can see this one a little bit better with all the details, all the pillows, all the chase, and all the thick pillows and padded pillows as well. But I didn't want to miss this detail. Last but not least, check this out. You have storage right here. You have storage here and storage on the other side as well. So you can put pillows in here. You can put blankets. You can put a ton of things. This thing is actually pretty well equipped to give you a really good set of storage and also like a spare bed as well. So bottom line, this thing is big, this thing heavy, but also it's really well equipped to have a ton of space for storage and also for people crashing your place or just having a super nice and memorable night just watching TV on this fantastic L sectional couch.